Good morning, I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The S&P 500 stabilised on Friday after hitting another record as investors wrapped the week on a high note. The S&P 500 inched higher by 0.03%. Earlier on Friday, the broad market index broke above 5,100 for the first time. The Dow Jones Industrial Average added 62.42 points, or 0.16%, reaching a fresh record and closing at an all-time high. The Nasdaq Composite lost 0.28%, but had notched a fresh 52-week high earlier in the session. All three major averages registered winning weeks. The S&P 500 advanced 1.66%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq gained 1.4% last week. The Dow was up 1.3% for the period. Wall Street is coming off a monster day as Nvidia shares roared on strong quarterly results, leading the chipmaker to briefly surpass a $2 trillion valuation. On the corporate earnings front, Block surged 16.1% after fourth quarter revenue surpassed Wall Street estimates. Carvana climbed 32.1% after the used car retailer said it expects retail units to grow in 2024. US sectors were mixed on Friday. Utilities, materials and industrials were the top performers. Energy was the worst. Looking ahead to the Australian landscape, Coles will reveal its profit report on Tuesday, Woodside will report its annual report also on Tuesday, and insurers Suncorp and NIB are due to release their interim numbers on Monday. In addition to the earnings reports, Australian retail sales data for January is expected to be released on Thursday, showing a rebound after a December decline. Furthermore, CoreLogic will release a house price data for February on Friday, projecting a gain in the median house price across 8 capital cities. Thank you for listening.